Hello viewers, welcome to Feast-o-Rama. Today we have for you sweet and spicy chicken wings. To a bowl add equal parts of refined flour, and cornflour. Add half teaspoon salt and half teaspoon red chili powder. Add some oregano seasoning and then add some ground pepper. Give it a mix. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Here we have taken 1 tablespoon each of olive oil and mustard oil. Coat each piece of chicken in the flour. Make sure it is thoroughly coated for the extra crunch. Once done, keep it aside. Now take the chicken and add it to hot oil. Let it fry on each side for a minute on medium heat and then turn it over. Once fried, keep the pieces aside. Now add 1 tablespoon tomato sauce, add 1 teaspoon of shezwan sauce and mix it a little bit. Next, add 1 teaspoon of honey and give it a mix. Now add the pieces of chicken to the sauce. Now give it a toss and make sure it is mixed well with the chicken wings. And it's ready. Serve it hot as starters. We hope you liked our recipe. Do review in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for notification on our new video.